Welcome to the instructions video for the Speed of Light Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you explore relativistic effects and electromagnetic wave propagation. You can calculate time dilation, length contraction, and convert between different units related to the speed of light. To use this calculator, start by entering your velocity value in the input field. You can input the velocity as a percentage of the speed of light, or as an absolute value in meters per second. For example, let's enter 90% of the speed of light to see the relativistic effects. The calculator will compute the Lorentz factor, which determines how much time dilates and length contracts at this velocity. You'll see results showing how time passes more slowly for a moving object compared to a stationary observer. The results also display the equivalent velocity in different units, making conversions easy. This is particularly useful for understanding how objects behave as they approach light speed. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.